In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize the Tailwind CSS colors. So basically, Tailwind CSS have a default colors. As you can see right here, slate, gray, zing, and etc. There's a lot of color right here. But maybe you have your own brand color and you want to apply that colors on your website, for example. So this is the example. So now as you can see on the div right here, this is basically the styling of this card customer right here. And then I just adding this background gradient to bottom right from this color and then into these colors. So I just added this manual color. So imagine that if sometime you need to change your brand color, it's really annoying to just change this color right here. So the better way to do that is you have to create like a customized color. So I have like a brand 100 into brand 200. So because on the Tailwind config, I just adding this brand color right here. Right, so now as you can see, this is just do the same thing. So yeah, in this video I'm showing you how to customize that colors. So let's get started. So here I'm going to just open my terminal and generate the new React application. After you install the React application, the next thing is just install a Tailwind CSS with this React application. Go to Tailwind CSS and framework guide and just fit right here. Just follow along all the instruction. On the app.tsx, I just import the color demo component, come from the component and then color demo right here. And then I have just really simple card. So as you can see, it's just make a component into the container. And then this is will make everything will be responsive. And then this is basically all the card wheel styling. As you can see, come from this div right here. I'm going to just make it like this. So as you can see, I just adding background gradient to bottom right. It means the color is gonna become from the top right here into the bottom right. And then I just adding this from pink 100 into pink 600. And then also this div right here is basically the circle into the corner right here. As you can see, if I just let's see, here we go, right? Really simple circle. Because I adding this is going to be absolute into top 0 and the right 0, and then I just push that into the right side. That's why the pattern is going to be relative. And add some user come from the Lucid React right here, the icon, and then some heading tree, and then this is what we have. Just really simple. Tailwind CSS have default colors like pink and then slate, and then as you can see right here, blue, indigo, and etc. So we can use that and then just paste that into the color right here. For example, I want to change that to maybe I'm going to use this maybe teal color. I'm going to copy that and change all the pink here. I'm going to use Command D to select all the pink text and then just paste that with this teal right here. Of course, it's going to be used lowercase, and then as you can see, every color is changed, right? So now I want to apply my brand color to this Tailwind CSS. How do we do that? Maybe my color is not available on this default color right here. So how do we add the new custom color? So basically we can adding that on the Tailwind config. So now let's go to Tailwind config, and then right here on the theme.extend, I'm going to add colors. Let's do colors, and then inside the colors, I'm going to give a name like a brand. You can just naming whatever you want. You can use primary or whatever you want. In this brand, I want to generate my colors. There's a lot of websites that give you ability to generate color palette basically. So I found this tail color website. It's really simple to use. So for example, you can just change the color to whatever you want. And as you can see down here, the color is generated. And down here, you can just copy and paste it into your Tailwind config. So I'm going to paste my primary color right here, my brand color. And then as you can see, I get the result. So I just copy everything and just go back to Tailwind config and then just paste that right here. Just as simple as that. So now let's go back to color demo. And then right here, I just going to be select all the teal text and changing that into my brand like this. So if I save, and as you can see now, the color is changed with my brand color. Super nice. So now I can still use the default color from the Tailwind CSS like a yellow, a green, and red, and etc. I'm going to showing you right here for this div. I'm going to add class name called background red, for example, 300. Save, and then as you can see, it still works. But if you put the color on the theme.colors, it will remove the default color from the Tailwind CSS. Let me show you right here. For example, I'm going to say colors, and then inside that colors, I'm going to put the brand right here. So let me just copy that and paste that right here. And then for the extents, I just want to comment that for now. And then now let's save, and then as you can see, the red color is just gone, so we cannot use red color now. As you can see, this is not gonna be works, because when you put the colors inside the theme.colors, and then whatever the color is in here will replace the default color, so you cannot access all of this right now. You cannot access all of these colors. So because I still want to use the default color, I want to putting that on the extent instead of just putting that on the theme.colors. So I just want to paste my other styling right here. I'm going to paste that, and then now let's just import the icon come from the Lucid React, and let's take a look what we have right now. So as you can see, it's look really nice. And then I just want to remove the background red on the app.tsx right here. And for example, I have another card right here, so let's take a look. I just want to copy and paste. As you can see, it's look really nice. And I just want to add another blog post, for example. So I just want to paste that right here. So basically, we have 3 blog posts right here, right? And then this is the result. So for example, now I want to change my brand color. So let's go to tail colors, and then you can just paste the new colors right here. Or I'm going to just find the random color from the green color like this. And then I just want to copy and paste these colors. Copy that value and then go back to Tailwind config, just paste into the brand object right here, save, and then let's take a look. Now we have this new color, super nice. Also on the color demo right here, I have the secondary color right here, as you can see, for the design review right here. As you can see, now it's just a white color, because now if you see on the Tailwind config, there is no secondary object right here. So let's add secondary, and I will find the random colors come from the tail color right here, and then just random color. I think this color is fine. So let's just copy the result and then go back to Tailwind config, just paste that right here. So now as you can see on the color demo, we adding the text secondary 100, the border secondary 100, and etc. So let's take a look what we have on the result right here. That looks super nice, right? So let me just change the brand color. I don't like this color maybe, so you can just change whatever you like. So I'm going to use this color, copy that one, and then go back to Tailwind config and then just paste it. You get the idea, right? So let me see. Here we go. Looks super nice. So hopefully this video helpful, and see you guys on the next one.